How to verify your identity on X. This quick tutorial will show you the exact steps. First, open the X app and log into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, open Security and Account Access, then tap Security. Here, look for an option called Identity Verification or ID Verification. Keep in mind, this option may not appear for every account, as it depends on your region, account type, and feature availability. You will then be asked to complete the verification process, which usually includes uploading a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure all details are clear and match your account information. In some cases, you may also be required to take a selfie for identity confirmation. After completing the steps, submit your request and wait for X to review your information. Once approved, you will receive a notification. If you don't see the identity verification option, make sure your X app is updated to the latest version and check whether the feature is available in your country. And that's how to verify your identity on X. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more X app tutorials and social media tips.